Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. If this is your first time and if this is not your first time, thank you for coming back to watch my inconsistent ass, because Lord God knows. Anyway, so today I'm bringing you this look I achieved using the I Love Revolution Rose Gold palette. So quick story time. I went to Superdrug to get my concealer, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define, obviously. And the lady at the counter just goes, oh, we've got these on offer, and you get 2 palettes. I think this one and an orange one, not sure what that one is called, for £4. And you know what I mean, like, I didn't go there to buy eyeshadow, but it was just so cheap. Your girl was like, all right, just throw it in, I'll grab it. So I got it, and I've used this palette to create the this look. It's super easy. Use only 2 colors, like, honestly, so easy. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and my full face, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I just want to do a big shout out to Revolution, because listen, Revolution is really winning out here. Like, they're actually winning. They're coming out with different things. The foundation is absolutely beautiful. The eyeshadow, the concealers, like, thank you so much, Revolution, for like the affordable makeup you make us have. Like, any new starter that's like looking to doing the makeup, mate, just go straight into Revolution. You get everything at a very, very cheap price. So that's my 2 cents. All right, so don't touch that dial, the keyboard, whatever you're watching. Don't press anything on the remote. Just keep watching, and I'll see you soon. So I start with cleaning my face with the Garnier Micellar water. Sometimes even after you have a shower, you're not like taking all the dirt off your face, so I just like to go back and clean my face again. And I'm moisturizing using the ordinary moisturizer, and then going to the brows, I'm just brushing my brows out, and I'm using this £1 pencil from any beauty supply store. I think I got mine from those hair shops in Peckham, and I just use it to draw my brows. My yeah is different to your yeah. Drippin' and slow, why does niggas wanna bore me? Yeah. And then I use the E.L.F brow gel to just go over it after I've drawn it, and I'm using, of course, my Revolution concealer to clean the brows out, to make them on fleek, if you know what I mean.
I tell her slow down, baby, why you coming fast? Leave my text on red, you can't see me. Ah, baby, are you fucking blind? Are you fucking blind? Can't see me. This thing called Lost try say she.
Using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 12.5 to just prep my eyelids ready for applying my eyeshadow, and I set it using the RCMA powder, setting powder. And the star of the show, we're going to be using the I Love Revolution palette. I'm going into color 1 right now and just putting that all over my eyelid and just blending it in. Blending.
Somebody tell Hus come collect your mess.
And then I go into color 2 and spray it with a bit of Revolution setting spray and just apply that to my eyelid. And that's it, you're done. And then I use my Revolution eyeliner and just draw a wing. That's it, super simple, you're done. Done and dusted. And then I go into my KIKO mascara and just use that on my eyelashes to prep them for application of the lashes. And I'm just using this random Victorious lashes I got again from Peckham.
But she don't even know how to shackle. Should I show you how to shackle? Hey, let me show you how to shackle. Hey, should I show you?
And I'm just dusting the excess fallout from my face. Going into my primer using the Makeup Forever primer. This is my holy grail, basically. And for foundation, we're using the Revolution Pro foundation in the shade F14, and just blending it into my face using my beauty blender.
Basically, my only makeup tool is literally my beauty blender for like my whole face. I only use brushes now just for eyeshadow. Like, anybody got time to be like changing brushes up and down doing like face makeup? So I'm going into my Revolution concealer again in the shade 12.5 and using that to highlight the point of my face that I usually highlight.
Hey, let me show you how to shackle. Different to your way. Dripping in sauce, dripping in sauce, so saucy. Why does niggas wanna pull me? Yeah, my year is different from your year. Dripping in sauce, dripping so saucy. Why does niggas wanna pull me? Yeah. The baby girl turn up, broke out your back like Giovanna.
And I'm just going over it with the Kevyn Aucoin concealer in the shade 12, I think.
You know my hair so different.
And I'm just blending that in. Basically, I just really like this concealer because it really conceals my under eye. So I tend to always use this underneath any other, on top any other foundation.
Yeah, you know I like it. Shake it for me like a sauna. Me, I go tell you I like it. You got me singing, oh mama, yeah. Baby girl, show me how to circle. Circle on the beat.
And then I set my face using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And the way I do this is that I just I don't let my face bake anymore. I literally just press the powder in. I find that with the wet beauty blender, it just tends to sit a lot better on my face when I just press it in rather than allowing it bake. For contouring, I'm using my CoverGirl in Ebony bronze to contour my face. So around my face, and also don't forget your jawline as well.
It's just different.
And doing some reverse contouring now just to make that contouring really pop. Then we'll go back to the eyes. I'm using color 1 again just to put underneath my lower lash line. And we're going into color 3 just to put on our tear duct, or rather on my tear duct. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics powder just to go over all of my face and just set it. So at this point, my camera stopped recording, but for highlighting, I used the Fenty Beauty highlighter and Hustla Baby and the blush that I showed. So for my lips, I'm using my MAC lip liner in Currant, like black currant. And using my top MAC lipstick as well, just to go over that. Going over with a lip liner again, just to like do some kind of like ombre stuff, and using just a clear lip gloss. Voila, she's ready. Come on, give them a sit, side profile on